Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be doing a custard for your custard slices. Now the previous video I did was what I call a long shelf life product, and today we're doing a very short shelf life product. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget your recipe is below the video in the description, and we'll get right on with the video. The recipe is below the video in the description. Also, you can find the recipe on my Facebook page under the photo. First guys, put on your saucepan onto your hot plate. In that you've got your milk. Now you want to bring this up to boil. Now add into a separate bowl, add in your eggs, your corn flour, your soft flour, and your sugar, and your vanilla. And also you can add some colouring if you like. Now give this a really good whip up. You want to try and get everything dissolved into this mixture. It makes it easier a bit later on. Well, that's it guys. Now we'll give the milk a good stir around. Always make sure you've got a heavy duty saucepan with a, like I call, a solid base. It's much better for doing your milk and egg type products on a hob. I can tell you now, it most likely will still burn whatever happens, but you know, bear with it. Try not to make the burn actually go into the custard. So you're going to keep stirring and stirring this, and you're bringing this to the boil. Once it gets there, you'll see by the bubbling on the top. It probably takes about 10 minutes to boil. Now what we're going to add in is the mixture we've mixed up earlier into the hot milk. And you want to scrape all this in. It's almost like one of those custard mixes you used to use years ago, but you've actually made the mix yourself. You add all this back in. Now you want to give that a really good stir around so it's all dissolved in. Now once this comes to boil, we want to be boiling this for around 5 minutes consistently. And as you're mixing up, you'll realise it's getting thicker and thicker. That's it, just be careful not to burn the base. As you're going round and round, you can see it's starting to get thick now. Once you've hit that boiling point, that 5 minutes is crucial. There you go, you can see it's starting to get really, really thick now. You can see where it comes off the top of the spoon. The spoon almost, like as you drop it down into, it sort of like drops off, like it's actually something on the end of the spoon instead of liquid. It sort of plops in. There you go, it's getting there. It's now getting thick enough. Once it's had that 5 minutes, you will find it that is plenty long enough. good way at telling if it's done or not. It's if it plops down and it's like a piece, you've got it. Right, we're ready, guys. Now what we want to do now is pour this into another container. And now what you want to do, guys, is let that cool down. And once you've done that, cool it and put it into the fridge. And that's what we're going to be doing next. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. You can see by the custard slices, we're going to be doing that video right almost straight away. So my next video, which is Monday, we're going to be doing custard slices. And we'll see how it's done properly. But before then, do check out my Facebook page for your recipe. It's actually under one of the photos, obviously of custard. Please subscribe and please share. Do check out my playlists below. Also, other items that you'll see down below. It could be items I've used or items I may be selling. Yes, we may be selling things shortly. We'll see you again in the next video. Laters!